guys, and welcome back to my channel, She Empire, where the she stands for sophisticated, hardworking empress. Our topic for today is going to be how to start a YouTube channel in 2020. But before we get into today's video, I want you guys to stop what you're doing, literally press the subscribe button. Like, I can't stress this enough. I need you guys to subscribe. Subscribe, like this video once you're done watching it. So, how to start a YouTube channel in 2020. The number one thing, honestly, is picking your niche. I think I'm saying that right, or niche. I'm gonna go with niche because it sounds like niche to me, looks like niche. Pick your niche. Ways to do so: find out what's trending and popular on YouTube and create your best version of it. So you want to try to focus on one niche. I see a lot of people, they have a channel and their channel is not specific. So they kind of talk about anything, make videos about anything. For some people this works, but this doesn't work for everyone. And to me, if this is something that you're investing your time in, then you just want to go ahead and pick something that you're going to be zooming in on and focusing in on, so that you can attract a certain type of people who are looking for those kind of videos. Because one thing about it is, if a person is interested in something, you're gonna keep their attention as long as your content is good. So you want to get those type of people that are interested in your content, and that way you begin to build a community. So if your viewers are bonding with your content, then YouTube is gonna see that, because your viewers will watch your videos over and over again. They'll begin to comment on your videos, and you begin to have engagement in your comment section. Once YouTube sees that, once they see the engagement with your subscribers or your viewers, and they see that they're liking your videos, and they see that they're searching for your videos on YouTube, then that's gonna cause YouTube to put your channel at the forefront and your videos at the forefront. And once you make it to the home page, I mean, it's like endless possibilities once you make it there, or once you make it to the recommended videos. Also, there's a site called googletrends.com, and this site helps you see what topics are popular or not popular, and it's free. That's the best part about it. So, like, let's say I want to talk about creating a YouTube channel in 2020. I can go to googletrends.com and I can type in that title and see if it's popular on YouTube. And 9 times out of 10, it will be, because people love when you're talking about things that are gonna help them. They love when you're talking about things that are gonna grow their YouTube channel and grow their life. 2, you wanna plan out your content. So with planning out your content, you're gonna try to come up with at least 30 to 50 topics to start with. Write notes on those topics. Start to practice in the mirror. Now, for this relates 100% to me, because I have a YouTuber that I love to watch, and she gave the suggestion that you practice in the mirror. You get comfortable with talking basically to yourself, because when you're looking at the camera, you're talking basically to yourself until you post that content. So get comfortable with that. And honestly, guys, it's really not that hard to get comfortable, because if you're a person and you have a bubbly personality, and even if you don't, once you're practicing in front of that camera, you'll be fine, trust me. So this step is very important, because before you can start making videos, you have to actually have something to talk about. 3, do your homework. Do your research. Like, research. You can't do enough of research. There's no such thing as researching too much. There's no such thing as doing too much homework on a topic or on your YouTube channel, because there's always room for growth. I can't stress this enough. YouTube is the perfect place to research your topics and take notes. Like, you can go on Google, which is great, but 9 times out of 10, if you go on Google and you research what your topic is, a YouTube video is gonna pop up. That's how relevant and how important YouTube is in this day and age. And YouTube is gonna be your best friend when it comes to researching your topics and researching the things that you wanna talk about. You may be asking, how do I research on YouTube? I don't even know what to type in. Basically, you can type in what your topic is gonna be, whatever that's gonna be. We'll get to that in a minute. But you also want to type in things like how to be successful on YouTube, how to have a successful YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, things like that. You want to research, because that's all a part of doing your homework. Once you've done that, then you can begin to start creating your YouTube channel. Are you still there? Number 4, you want to name your channel. This step is totally up to you, and it all depends on whether you want to pick something simple or go more on the fancy side or clever side of things. I see people all the time who literally just use their name. So my name is Amber Simmons. I could have named this channel Amber Simmons, but because I knew exactly what my niche was gonna be, and this channel isn't so much focusing on me, it's focusing on my brand and what the brand is about and the people that it's going to be helping. So I decided to name it S.H.E Empire. But if you have a channel idea and videos and you know what it's going to be about, you know it's going to be more centered around your life and your lifestyle and your daily walk or your daily life, then you can name it after you. And people will still watch it. I mean, I know of a lot of successful YouTubers who have their names right on their YouTube channel and they have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So it's honestly up to you, and that's why I said that this part would depend solely on you. So whatever you decide should be perfectly fine. However, I would suggest that your channel has something to do with what your niche is, unless you're actually gonna go with your first and last name. 5, and this is what you've been waiting for. Create your channel. Be clear on your name before creating your channel, because that's like one of the first things that Google is going to ask you when it's time to create your channel. And I say Google because it's going to be connected to your Google account. So I personally Googled how to create a YouTube channel. Can't get much more clearer than that. They brought up a whole list of the steps that you need to take. So I advise you to do that also. I'll be doing a video on exactly how to create a YouTube channel. So in order for you guys to see the video, you have to subscribe and make sure that you click the bell for notifications so you won't miss out on the video. Stick with me, guys, we're almost there. 6, once you've created your channel, you need to promote it. And this has to be, I think this is like on the top of the list as far as what's important when creating a channel, because if you don't promote your content, you may not get anywhere. Like if your content isn't being promoted or if you're not personally promoting it. I do know that using social media platforms can be very good and it works very well for some people. But here's the difference. If you don't have a lot of followers on your social media platforms, then that idea may not work so well for you. But I always will give the advice to start with family and friends on your social media platforms, because even if they don't really want to subscribe, they'll go ahead and do it. And I kind of shy away from that a little bit also, because to me that's not organic growth, because they're just going to subscribe but they may not look at it or like the videos. But it's a good head start. But I would honestly suggest growing organically on YouTube, because that is the best growth. The way you will grow organically, honestly, and this is gonna be so much more simpler than you're probably thinking, just create content. Keep creating content. Be consistent with your content. Because once you do that, YouTube is gonna see that you're being consistent. They're gonna see that people are actually liking what you're putting out. And guess what? Also, if you have subscribers, they want to see that you're being consistent and they want to see that you're posting consistently. So if you continue to post consistently, if they subscribe for a reason, and they're going to continue to watch your videos because they're interested in your content. Once they do that, YouTube will begin to see it and they will organically promote you. They will organically promote your videos and your YouTube channel. And like I mentioned earlier, once they do that, you'll end up in recommended videos. I don't know if you've ever seen that when you're scrolling through your YouTube, like you're probably doing right now, and you're looking on that little right hand side if you're on your computer, and you're looking below this video if you're on your phone, and you're seeing recommended videos. That's what will happen with your videos if you continue to be consistent and YouTube likes what you're putting out and they see that people like what you're putting out. So that's probably the better way to promote. But if you kind of want to get more of a jump start, then you can use your social media platform. I mean, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is that you have, Snapchat, all of that. But you can also go on Facebook, and they have a smaller YouTube growth community or something like that. That is very good. It's pretty cool. You go on there, and basically what you do is you do a sub for sub. A sub for sub is when you subscribe to someone else's channel and they subscribe to yours in return, or vice versa. So it's very good if you're trying to get a jump start. I will say that you may want to mute your notifications though for that group, because if you don't, you'll be getting notifications all day and it's kind of aggravating. So I'm in a few groups on Facebook, and I just kind of go on there when I'm ready, and I just silence the notifications because it's a lot. But it has helped me. I've gained a few subscribers from doing this. And another thing that can be kind of tricky with that is that sometimes people will subscribe and then they'll unsubscribe. So I don't know if you really want to go that route or not. It's all up to you. For me, I had nothing to lose, because it's like, okay, if they unsubscribe from my channel after, you know, vowing that they would subscribe, then that's good for me, because that means that they didn't really want to be there anyway. Also, another tip that I have, and this is something that I've personally been doing, when you see bigger YouTubers and they post, if you're subscribed to their channel, you're gonna get the notification. What I do is I go on their channel and I leave a comment. Now, I don't spam. I don't suggest doing that, because your comment's gonna get blocked, and you may get blocked from the YouTuber's channel, that particular YouTuber's channel. So what I do is I'll leave a comment saying how the YouTuber inspires me, which I don't say anything if it's not true, but that's totally up to you. But I'll say how they inspire me, or I'll just leave a nice comment about the video. And what this does is this actually attracts the attention of their subscribers. So not so much the attention of the YouTuber, because they have thousands of people commenting on their video. So I wouldn't expect that if I were you, but I would expect the attention from their subscribers, which is good, because then they'll go and they'll look on your YouTube channel, and then you may gain a subscriber. So that's another organic way to grow your YouTube channel. You want to be seen on YouTube. Last tip, and this is number 7, be consistent. This is something that I'm still mastering myself, and I'm not perfect at it, but I'm trying to become perfect at it, because being consistent is key on YouTube, guys. I know that we look at bigger YouTubers and we're like, oh my God, they have so many subscribers, they're so lucky, they're so this, they're so that. But what you have to realize is they didn't just get there by just being there. They got there because they were consistent in their posting, they were consistent with their content making and creating, and YouTube, like I told you before, looks at that. Their subscribers look at that. So it's all about how consistent you are. Like, it may take a while. Don't think that they just hopped into that position. No, they didn't. It took a while. They had to post consistently to get to where they wanted to be. So I think that us as smaller YouTubers, we need to look at that. Don't envy the next person because they have 50,000 subscribers and you only have 20. You're gonna get there if you do what you're supposed to do, and if you keep posting and uploading your content, people will continue to watch, and they'll continue to be engaged and continue to be inspired by your videos and continue to watch your videos, because this is what they subscribe for. This is what they like. So once again, keep posting, keep uploading, keep creating content. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it encourages you to keep pushing, start your YouTube channel, grow organically, create amazing content, and remember, you're not alone. I'm a small YouTuber too, and I'm still growing. So if you're looking for more videos like this, make sure you come back to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. That really helps me out. Like this video and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.